Hello there, and today I'm here with a video about the WetJet Swiffer. So this is a pretty good alternative to mopping, so you don't have to have a mop and a bucket. It just makes it a little easier. All you have to do is change the pads on the bottom every once in a while. You have your solution right here that you just pop into it. And overall, it's just so small and compact, you really don't have to have much storage for it. And even then, you don't have to get water ready, you don't have to get the mop dried out. All you do is take off the pad and it's done to store. So you're probably wondering how to get the liquid to come out. Well, these little things right here are actually the sprayers, and the button for it is right here. And you don't have to do it very much. As you see, I kind of did a lot. You kind of just want to tap it, and everything, it goes really easily. Perfect for cleaning up quick messes, especially, like I said, you don't have to get a mop and a bucket out. This is specifically for hardwood. And yeah, it's not really gonna do much besides cleaning. It's not gonna scratch up your floor. Haven't had any issues with it. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video.